One of the largest partnerships between a massive bank and the Jasmine Labs Foundation, which is most likely going to use the Jasmine coin, is expected to happen. In fact, an article posted just a couple minutes ago on the Crypto Alert cites exactly that. In fact, it is titled Reports of a Softbank Jasmine Labs Partnership as Jasmine's Deputy President joins Softbank Mobile. And what's really interesting is I was able to actually see this article as soon as it is released and thought I have to make this video for you because it is insane. And of course, all of this is going to impact the price of Jasmy. But before we jump into today's video, I want to announce that I'm hosting the Jasmy giveaway. It is very easy to enter. Just subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, tap that like button, and share this video to your friends and family. Once you've done that, you will easily be entered into the giveaway and will have the opportunity to win yourself an absolute ton of Jasmy. I also want to mention that metalcrypto.com, which you'll find linked in the description, officially dropped their Jasmy crypto t-shirts, so you can get yourself your own personalized Jasmy t-shirt and 10% off if you do use the link in the description. That's metalcrypto.com, linked in the description. Alright guys, so we start off our lovely daily market update for Jasmy, sitting at approximately 0.00389, equivalent to approximately 0.48% increase. When looking at the market cap, it is also approximately 0.48%, sitting at 190 million, with a market volume in the last 24 hours at 9.15% increase, which is actually not too bad. It's 9.15 at $17.7 million. The volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours is sitting at approximately 9.92%, with the circulating supply still sitting at 48.9 billion and a total max supply of 50 billion. As you guys can see, looking at the charts right now, actually not looking too bad. We did call this, guys, earlier. We did tell you guys that it was going to go ahead and increase, mostly go sideways on the weekly and daily charts, and that is exactly what we are seeing here. So this is the weekly chart. It is going up, but generally trending sideways. But again, it is going up here. We are seeing some increases. It is taking a bit more time in terms of going up in value, but this is quite typical when you're in a bear market, but most importantly when Bitcoin is going down. Actually, Jasmy performing quite fantastic, specifically in a market right now that is going downwards. Like Bitcoin is at approximately 1.46%. Jasmy is actually up in this market, which again is insane. Now, the cool part is that market sentiment for Jasmy is bullish as expected. Everybody's looking at this coin as being a pump coin here. So for example, XVOD says I'm bullish on Jasmy. We got Lefty King, which says Jasmy, the early information on the Q4 lockup is the organization's way of allowing people the heads up they need to get in before the moon, and so many similar comments, all pointing that everybody is extremely bullish on Jasmy. And we even have here Lapan saying Jasmy hold, one of the best coins in the market in the world. But on to the news. Softbank and Jasmy are very close. It is rumored that Softbank is an investor, and Mansanabo Yoshida, a former member of Jasmy, was himself the executive at Softbank. Chairman Moses Son says he's a fan of the blockchain, and this is actually humongous because once again it affirms that there is a very close relation between Softbank and Jasmy, and it would really not make sense that if Softbank were to require IoT technology, you know, why would they go to any other company other than the Jasmy Foundation? So it does truly make sense that there is going to be a partnership. And when looking at even partnerships in the past, right, you know, Softbank partnerships are substantial. Looking at one that they've done, and this is Softbank buys Vision Fund's stake in ARM at $64 billion valuation. And right here, you know, when you look at Softbank investing in multi-million-dollar and billion-dollar companies, that is a lot of money. So just imagine when they go ahead and actually put that wealth into Jasmy, what the price is going to be. And that is what I truly expect to see very soon. We are not going to be shocked once we see a Softbank and we see a Jasmine Labs partnership. Why? Because they are already one. So as you guys can see in this article, and this is why I like this article right here, reports of a Softbank Jasmine Labs partnership as Jasmy Deputy President joins Softbank Mobile. So there's clearly a connection here. The same guy that used to work for Jasmy now works for Softbank. So it cites here in the article, Softbank Group Corp stands out as a prominent player with a keen eye for emerging trends. Beyond its re-owned investments in various tech giants, Softbank's chairman Masatoshi Son has expressed a deep interest in blockchain technology. In fact, recent developments and rumors indicate that Softbank's influence extends to the companies like Jasmy and Rencom Network, hinting at an exciting prospect for the blockchain space. Now, again, it's exciting because we did talk about Rencom Network in the past, and we talked about how it is likely that there's going to be a partnership, and in this case, it also highlights that there may be a partnership with Softbank Group Corp. It talks about your connection between Softbank and Jasmy, and that connection right here has been subject to speculation for some time now. While not officially confirmed, it is widely rumored that Softbank is an investor in Jasmy, a blockchain-focused company run deeper than a mere speculation. It also cites that Mansubo is a former member of the Jasmine Labs Foundation and that he has held an executive role at Softbank, further strengthening the bond between the two organizations. Specifically, since such connections often pave the way for collaborations, synergies that can transform into the industries. Now, of course, it also goes over, the Softbank's expanding role and another, massive partnership that Softbank has purchased into another crypto company. It also highlights how Softbank has been a continuous investor for multiple cryptocurrency companies, mainly in Japan, and specifically Japan being one of the key hubs of Jasmy, and Jasmy being founded in Japan and being labeled the Japanese Bitcoin, that really this is another factor that is going to add to why it makes so much sense that there's a partnership between Softbank and the Jasmine Labs company. It then jumps into another company that rumors and speculation has really been focused on lately within regards to a partnership with Jasmy, and that is the Rencom Network, to which it cites that in the midst of Softbank's growing blockchain interest, Rencom Network has emerged as an exciting player in the blockchain space. Rencom Network, RNT, has experienced a remarkable surge in value with an increase of over 3,000% in the last couple weeks and a staggering 21,000% in the last month. The surge is attributed to the Rencom Network's pilot program, wherein it has adopted RNT as an exclusive method of payment for government rentable assets in the Republic of Palau. And I also want to add, because I know the Rencom Network quite well, I'm going to try and bring them onto the channel, but the idea here is it's not really for the Republic of Palau, so I think this article has messed up. The idea is they're actually going ahead and implemented a pilot program where RNT is exclusive method of payment for their own rentable assets and their own rentable properties. Now, I think I've heard that they have entered into discussions with the Republic of Palau in phase 1, but again, there's nothing to confirm it. I think I did see it on their website, but they might have taken it down. I'm not too sure here. But the point is that they are massively pumping lately. Of course, rumors of a partnership have also been mentioned, and on social media platforms right now, they are buzzing with potential partnership between Rencom Network and Jasmine Labs, especially since speculation suggests that this collaboration would involve the use of both RNT and the Jasmine token, further intertwining Softbank's interest in the blockchain world. While these rumors remain unconfirmed, they underscore the growing anticipation surrounding Softbank's blockchain ventures. I also want to make it clear that even the Rencom Network has quite stated right here that the Rencom Network CEO confirmed partnership announcement scheduled for September 25th, 2023. And so we are very excited to see what is coming. Now, again, I went ahead and hit up the Rencom Network and told them that I would love to partner with them if they gave my viewers something, and I got exactly that. So, my mighty crypto family, I love you all. And guys, if you go ahead and actually message Rencom Network on Twitter, which I'll leave in the description, and you tell them that you came from the Mighty Crypto channel, they're gonna literally give you free RNT. Now, personally, I bought RNT and I'm filling my bag because I truly love this coin. Not only does it offer me some annual 10% return, so automatic every single year if I hold the coin, I get 10% back, which is insane, but I also get to see the value pump because just in the last 2 weeks, we've seen the massive RNT coin pump over 3,000%, and that is insane. So really, the potential is huge. But yeah, again, if you want to get your free RNT, go ahead and actually message them on their Twitter. And I definitely recommend that you guys do your research on the Rencom Network. I personally am filling my bag from this coin. I love this coin, and I think you will love it too. And just imagine once a partnership is formed, how much of a pump it is going to face. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm going to end off by this tweet because I think it is so important that will make all the dots connect for you. The parent company of Line is Z Holdings. Z Holdings also operates Yahoo Japan, and the parent company of Z Holdings is Softbank. The Jasmy deputy president and CTO Mansuba Yashidu is the managing operating officer at Softbank Mobile. So it really only makes sense, guys, that if they are looking for an IoT technology company, just think about it. If they're looking for an IoT technology company, the Mansudu, the deputy president right now and CTO of the Softbank Mobile, knows Jasmine. He was actually working at Jasmine, so he's most likely going to go ahead and recommend it. That being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to drop a follow on my Twitter. As you guys see, I'm always tweeting there. I did tweet this article as soon as it came out, so if you were following me, you would have got the article first. And I want to announce that, guys, make sure you check out my official Patreon here, where I'm going to be showing you guys daily crypto trading signals, or at least whenever I do a trade, you're going to get the trading signal as well. You're going to be exclusive video content, exclusive live streams, and giveaways. So don't miss out. Join using the link below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.